Welcome to a new video. In this we will discuss about what are CNC machines. Let's get started. CNC machines are computer-controlled machines that use a combination of hardware and software to automate the manufacturing process. The term CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which refers to the ability of these machines to precisely control the movement and positioning of tools. CNC machines can be used to create a wide range of products, from small precision parts to large-scale industrial equipment. They work by taking a digital design file and using it to guide the movement of the cutting tools and other equipment used in the manufacturing process. One of the key advantages of CNC machines is their precision and accuracy. Because they are computer-controlled, they are able to make precise cuts and movements that are difficult or impossible for human operators to achieve. This allows for greater consistency and repeatability in the manufacturing process, which can result in higher quality products and improved efficiency. There are many different types of CNC machines, each designed for a specific purpose. Some common examples include CNC mills, which are used for cutting and shaping materials such as metal, wood, and plastics, and CNC lathes, which are used for turning and shaping cylindrical objects like pipes and shafts. Overall, CNC machines are an essential tool in modern manufacturing, providing greater efficiency, accuracy, and flexibility than traditional manufacturing methods. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced and sophisticated CNC machines in the years to come. Subscribe for more informative videos.